so much fun!
This is exactly like art ride.
That's it, no more. That's it, no more. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. Thank you. 9:30. As you can see, the arcade is still very crowded. Buy, analyze, switch out here. Let's start. Alright, so this is the price. Okay, we're gonna walk around this area. I wanna show you the whole things of the arcade. Let's go. Dinosaur era. Wow. You almost got it. Cool. Oh, they have bowling here. Oh, yes. Tech area here. Wow, this is interesting. Look at this. And they have this too. It's not... Whoa! Deluxe. It's a burger, shakes, and fries. Check these out, guys. Let's buy. Here we go.
Check this out. Ooh, that's the eggs and the big mushroom and the meat. Yummy.
Cold dishes, salmon, boiled eggs, pastry, croissant, muffins. Okay, in this area, that's the good stuff here. There are potatoes, bacons, ham with raisin pineapple glaze. Wow. Wow, so many meat. Eggs, ladies and gentlemen. We have cheese pizza. Okay, so we're gonna order omelette. Yeah, Cecilia gonna get the toppings and stuff. We're gonna get some mushroom, ham. What else do we need?
Bacon.
Bacon. Check on our right side. They're also cooking something here. Get some of this. And I also want some sausage. This is chicken sausage. One is enough. Mine as well. Let's get the turkey sausage. Oops. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This concludes our video today. Don't forget to like, share, consider subscribe. I see you guys. Bye!